Hey guys, it's Kerry here from Awake Alive Empowerment. Thanks for joining me in my video today. Just want to kind of explain to you what I've been up to for the last few years. 10 years. I found myself in a place where I just was thinking there was something missing in my life. Like, what is my meaning and purpose? What am I all about? Why am I here? And so that all unfolded with taking a workshop weekend with Lige and the Connection Workshop weekend, which really was like breakthroughs like I couldn't believe. It really gave me some enlightenment, and it awoke me. I think I would say I awoke out of my slumber or sleep I was in, just being caught up in the world the way it goes, back and forth to work, doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result that just wasn't happening. And I caught myself as like on a treadmill. And so I don't know if that's where you're at. Some people, into what I found, are in a lot of stress, a lot of drama, a lot of hurt and pain, a lot of unforgiveness in their lives, lots of relationships breaking up. Things are just kind of falling apart. Our world has just took us to that place, and we're constantly putting things together again and, building it up again until it falls apart again. Well, I don't think that's a healthy way to do it. I think we're emotionally, mentally, physically, and spiritually unhealthy. And I think there has to be a change. So that's why I decided to kind of do this. I decided there was more of a calling on my heart than a job calling on my heart. I wanted to do something that really would make a difference before I go, And so that's why I'm here. I'm here to say that I've learned so much from Kerry as he mentored over me for the last 3 years. I became part of the leadership team, learned a lot of things that I would love to teach you. And then I also love to still take you to one of his workshop weekends because they are powerful. I've heard so many testimonies from people that it's the best thing they've ever seen after doing tons of counseling and tons of retreats, tons of treatment centers they went to. They say in one weekend they got way more than all that put together. I hear it very often. And I really believe them, and because the breakthroughs they have, they are different people on a Friday to a Sunday when they leave. And so I really would like that happen for you, and I just want you to be open-minded. There's my website below, there's my email below, there's my phone number below, and I think it's time for change. I hope that you think there's something tugging in your heart where you think things should change. This is it. My first session's free. We can get together and talk about it more. Love to unfold that journey for you like someone did for me 10 years ago. So thanks for listening today. Have a great day. Peace out.